A faint disturbance, or merely the wind's cruel whisper.
No one touches what is mine, least of all her.
Then let it begin. But it feels like one.
You misunderstand, child.
Do I?
The world outside is a dangerous place.
Let me see it then.
Never.
Her face, impossible to forget.
So today I'm going to show you how to create a short film using the CinePrompt tool. First, click on Studio, then select New Project, enter your project name and create the project. I already have several projects here, so I'll open one of them. As you can see, it's already open. Next, go to ChatGPT or any other tool and generate a story. Here's an example story. I'll copy it into the text box. Then choose how many scenes you want. I'll set it to 16. Scroll down and lock the visual style. As you can see, there are many styles available around 68. You can select and lock any style you like. In this case, I'll choose claymation style. Next, select how many shots you want per scene. I'll set it to 6, but you can use 9 or more if you want. Now choose the shot duration. This depends on the video generator you're using. I'm using Seedance 2 and CapCut, so I'll set it to 15 seconds. Then select the word count. Let's use 250 words, which works well. Keep in mind there are limits depending on your generator, so you don't need too many words. Now click Generate, and it will start creating all the scenes. You can see it generating scene by scene. Each scene contains multiple shots. You can review and edit them if needed. Here you'll find the final prompt for each scene. You can copy them individually or all at once for a multi-shot video. Next, I copy everything and paste it into a text file. Then I replace character names with tags. For example, I replace young man with at image 1. And do the same for other characters like at image 2 and at image 3. Once that's done, the prompt is ready. I copy everything and go to Dreamina in CapCut to generate the video. Here are 2 examples I already generated.
Her face, impossible to forget.
Now, if a prompt is too long, I simply reduce it, then I paste it back, make sure the character tags are correct, and click Generate again. Select widescreen aspect ratio and 15 seconds duration. You can adjust this depending on your needs. It will take a moment to generate, so let's wait. Now you can see the result. Looks great.
A faint disturbance, or merely the wind's cruel whisper.
No one touches what is mine, least of all her.
Then let it begin.
Now let's go back to the generator. Inside the studio, you can also generate images for each scene. Just click Generate Image, or choose Grid Generation. Select the grid size like 9 images, then choose your style, aspect ratio, and click Generate. It works similarly to video generation. You can also switch models, for example, use Gemini or Kling depending on your needs. Once everything is ready, you can edit your video inside the studio or use an external editor. Here's the built-in editor. I'll open the project we just created. You can paste your images here. You can also animate them. Just right-click and select Image to Video, then add your prompt. It works similarly to editing in CapCut. When you're done, click Export. Enter your video name, select aspect ratio and resolution, then export. After a short wait, your full video will be ready to download. That's it for today. Now you can use CinePrompt, a powerful prompt generator, to bring your stories to life. Watch more videos made with the CinePrompt tool.
When you have nothing, you risk everything.
Fee, fi, fo, fum. Who disturbs?
Some risks change everything.
I told them I can deliver a film today.
And what exactly have you delivered? Intriguing.
I don't even have a scene.
Is that the solution?
Wait, what?
Scenes? Done. Shots? Done. Video? Also done.
I told them I can deliver a film today.
So, you're the filmmaker?
I don't make videos. I direct reality.
This is amazing.
Fake it or make it. CinePrompt. From idea to film instantly.